Hello and welcome to this short video about QuickGuide Irish Grammar from Gaelchultúr. I'm Darina Nigonachú and I'd like to tell you more about this excellent resource for Irish speakers and learners. QuickGuide Irish Grammar is an easy-to-use resource which focuses on the main aspects of Irish grammar. Grammatical explanations are in English and a translation is given of all the Irish language examples, making this guide accessible to learners at all levels of competency. The focus is on everyday language and on useful words and phrases which can be used in both written and spoken Irish. QuickGuide Irish Grammar is suitable for second and third level students, teachers and adult learners of Irish, indeed for anyone who speaks or writes Irish on a regular basis. The explanations in the guide are clear and easy to understand and are aimed at those who are not experts on grammar. The unique design and colour scheme enable the user to find information quickly and without hassle. Say you're writing an essay or an email or a report and you're not sure whether 3 years in Irish is 3 bhliain or 3 bliana. To find that information in the Quick Guide, all you have to do is go to the index on the back cover. It says here that information regarding the word bliain is available on page 9. So if you go to that page, you'll find the answer you're looking for immediately. The correct answer, in case you're wondering, is 3 bliana. Each section of the Quick Guide is a different colour, depending on what aspect of grammar is the focus of that section. The section about the genitive case is green, for example, and the section dealing with the verbs is pink. And speaking about that aspect of grammar, the Quick Guide contains comprehensive information about regular and irregular verbs in Irish, the various tenses, for example, question forms, the negative, and so on. There's plenty of information about other aspects of grammar as well, the copula, adjectives, simple prepositions, days and months, and much more. And the best thing about QuickGuide Irish Grammar is that it's compact and easy to carry around. So no matter where you are, you'll be able to find information about the most important rules of Irish language grammar within seconds. QuickGuide Irish Grammar is available for purchase at www.sioppa.ie or in the case of larger orders from Gaelchultúr's main office in Dublin. Oh, and one more thing. A course with interactive exercises based on QuickGuide Irish Grammar is available on Gaelchultúr's e-learning website, www.rongana.com. The exercises in this course on rongana.com are interactive. Once you've completed an exercise, you can click on the Send button and receive feedback immediately. You're told which answers were correct and which were incorrect. You're given the correct answers and a score. Thank you for watching this video about QuickGuide Irish Grammar. Slán go fóill.